Hi there, big day for Xiaomi. 3 launches: Mi 10 5G, Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 and Mi Box 4K. Wow, so without wasting too much time, let's talk about it. The first launch was the Mi Box 4K. What a perfect time to launch the Mi Box 4K. For those who don't know, Mi Box is basically a device that connects to your non-smart TVs, making it smart without replacing it. Now sure, many have non-smart TVs and they're working just fine, so you don't want to spend a bomb, so here's a simple solution: Mi Box 4K. Connects via HDMI cable, all it needs is Wi-Fi and you're done. It's running the latest Android TV 9 OS, which means you get Ultra Chromecast, so you can cast videos and content from your phone at a click of a button. It comes with the same Mi TV remote with Netflix and Prime Video hotkeys. It has a 2 GHz CPU, 2 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage. There is a 3.5 headphone jack, so you can connect it to external speakers for better audio. It supports HDR10 and Dolby Audio codec. But your TV should be compatible with these, of course. Above all, Bluetooth 4.2, which surely your non-smart TV lacked. In fact, I know a lot of smart TVs that even lack Bluetooth. Go wireless with the Mi Box. Mi Box supports all the apps you can think of on a smart TV: Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, YouTube, and even games. There is a USB-A port on the back of the Mi Box, so you can plug in your pen drive and watch content from it, and it supports all the popular formats. All this for a price of just $3,499. That's genuinely impressive. It's going to give the Fire TV stick a run for its money. I've actually already made a video on the Mi Box 4K. It was a unit I had imported from China. It's exactly the same like the Indian unit. The only difference is that the Indian unit has larger app support. You should definitely see that video. I'll leave the link here, also in the description. Mi Box 4K is something many were waiting for, myself included. It'll be going on sale on 11th of May at 12 noon on Flipkart and Mi.com. Moving to the next launch, Mi Truly Wireless Earphones 2. Now this wasn't as exciting as I thought it would be. Firstly, extremely late. Secondly, the design was a total letdown. See, I know it's not right to comment on it without actually seeing it and using it, so I'll reserve my opinion for the full review. So it's very similar to the Apple AirPods. It has a case which holds and charges the earphones. It has a 14.2mm driver which should create good sound, something that even the top brands actually don't have. It supports LHDC, which stands for Low Latency High Definition Audio Codec. So technically there should be no delay or negligible delay in audio while playing games and watching movies. Xiaomi claims to have excellent call quality with these earphones thanks to environmental noise cancelling. Now don't misunderstand, these aren't noise cancelling earphones. It just cancels external sound for phone calls. I'm really looking forward to these. Most true wireless earphones are really bad when it comes to call quality. I'm not including the AirPods and the Sony earbuds, but those are way too expensive, so I can't wait to test these. These have a battery life of 4 hours, and with the case you can extend the battery life for 12 to 14 hours. The pairing process is going to be very similar that we see on the Apple AirPods with the iPhone, but this pairing process with the earphones is restricted to only Xiaomi phones. Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 will be selling for $4,499, but if you're buying them between 12th May and 17th May, you can get it for a special price of $3,999. I wish I could say they're very well priced, but these aren't cheap. Maybe a hands-on and a sound experience will change my thoughts. Let's wait and see. It'll be going on sale on 12th of May on Mi.com and Amazon.in. And finally, the biggie that we've all been waiting for, Mi 10 5G. Ticks all the boxes for a flagship device. Snapdragon 865, yes. 108 megapixel camera, yes. AMOLED display, yes. Curved display, well, I'm not a fan, but yes, many people love it and it's here. 90 Hz refresh rate, tick. 30 watt fast charging, you got it. Wireless charging, yes, 30 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse charging too. Okay, so clearly Xiaomi went all guns blazing with the Mi 10. So to quickly summarize, Snapdragon 865, 8GB DDR5 fast RAM, 128GB and 256GB storage variants, 90 Hz refresh rate, 6.67-inch AMOLED curved display, 800 nits max brightness, micro dot in-screen front camera, 108 megapixel quad camera setup, 8K video recording, 4780 mAh battery, 30 watts fast charging, 30 watts wireless charging and 10 watts reverse charging. Wow, that should be a phone to look out for. But this ain't cheap, but cheaper than the competition. The Mi 10 128GB is priced at $49,999 and the 256GB variant is priced at $54,999. You can get a cashback of 3,000 rupees if you're using an HDFC Bank debit or credit card. Pre-orders start from today on me.com and amazon.in. Xiaomi has also launched a 30-watt wireless charger with a fan for 1,999. Now that's really impressive considering OnePlus has launched the same device for 3 times the price. I'll leave the links for all the products in this video in the description. If you'd like to buy them, do check it out. Now all these launches are very exciting and I can't wait to get my hands on them. Unfortunately, the lockdown, we aren't able to, but we're trying our best. I recommend you watch the Mi Box video. You'll get a 99% idea of the product from that video itself. I'll leave the links for the video in the description. So everyone, stay indoors, stay safe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.